Good afternoon. Happy lunchtime. Hope you guys are having an awesome lunch. Just had some salad and some of my pizza sausage bread thing. Anyway, my own little pizza dough thing. But I'm hopping on because today's the day we launch our new startup kit. Right, we have a brand new way of starting your epic business with us, whether it's a savvy consumer, whether you want to make it into a biz, it doesn't really matter. As you can see, so many of my team members who are here as savvy consumers, and some are joining to grow and become executives and leaders and everything they want to do with it. But right now, we switched it up. We've changed back, right? Because that's the whole thing. You got to constantly be changing and adapting and trying new ways and getting out there. Hi, Tracy, with different ways of sharing how awesome having the epic biz is for yourself, for whoever it might be. Your epic story is super important. But anyway, here is the box. Look at this cool box. It's pink. Can you believe it? Pink. Super pink box. But anyway, it's super cool. You literally get this box now as your startup kit. You literally just go push the join button. Hi, Emery. Push that join button and it'll ship to you. So $89.95, shipping included, everything in here, which I'll show you. And it's expedited shipping, so it'll be there super quick. And in the US, it's $79.95, same thing. Shipping, everything included, everything in here. Of course, you get the biz on the back end, so you get the e-commerce website that you can start sharing right away with, the back office with all the training. It also comes with new training and a cool, like, 10, 12 step way to get started. Super simple steps to just get your business going, or whatever it might be for you, sharing on social, talking to friends and family, having a launch party, virtual, in person. If you get to taste this food, you know how awesome it is. And of course you do that because you're here in the group and you know how much Epicure rocks for making kitchen stuff, cooking meals easier and tastier. So it comes with some awesome little um, cards or inspirational things to get started. It comes with mac and cheese because that's super important. It comes with sweet banana bread, also super important because these are staples for making quick, meals and desserts. And of course, you need some catalogs. You get a pack of that. You even get a cool steamer. It's our rectangular one, which is perfect. Easy to show people how awesome Epicure is with the microwave or even the oven, making desserts, meals, whatever. It's like one of my favorites. We use this almost every other day. It comes with a recipe card on the extraordinary cheese dip because it comes with sample packages for all of that. So it comes with the 3 onion, lemon dilly, and the CCB. So you get a bunch of those so that you can share how easy it is to make this recipe with your customers or people who may be of interest who've never tried it. This is an awesome one to do. It also comes with one of our awesome kits. This is our Good Food Real Result Mexican kit, and it comes all set up. You get the box so you can showcase it, and recipe cards, and the 3 top seasonings that you need for that. And so, yeah, this is our new kit for starting your biz. And so you can see all this is perfect for if you were going to actually go out there and do cooking classes or have people over or just for yourself. It doesn't really matter. It's a pretty awesome kit that you would use on a regular basis because guacamole, the salsa, the taco seasonings, right? They're staples in most of our homes. The rectangular steamer, another staple. If you had a cabin or RV or you know what I mean, places where you would go, trailer, that's it. Camping or anything, this is great to use pretty much anywhere. I travel with this when I used to have to travel for work. Obviously, COVID changed that, but I would travel with this one all the time because then I could make my food in the hotel room, which is what's awesome about this one. And of course, catalogs and mac and cheese you all need. So yeah, that's launching today. And the cool thing about this launch is if you join between today, the 25th, until the 30th of June, you actually get a taste of the season for free. So you will get the kit for free. That's our new Taste of the Season collection. Sorry, not kit, collection. So it'll come with the mustard and the Nashville and the all dressed and the aqua fresca and the pizza dip. And so you won't have to pay $39.95 or what, right, 38. Anyway, pricing with me. Anyway, you know what I mean? You don't have to buy that kit. It'll come free when you buy this and you can get going on your biz. And now that will be available for you as well. So yeah, that's what's launching today, which is super exciting. So, you know what? If you're thinking about it at all or you have questions, feel free to reach out to me or any ambassador that you might be working with. Ask them what they think, what they would do with it, what you could do with it. What does it mean? What, and all that. And yeah, let's see if it's the right fit for you at the right time, and jump right in and come see what it's like on the other side of the camera. Have a great day.